Welcome back to Wooden Shoe Motorsports. We're back on the K10 today. First thing we're going to do is get started with vacuuming all the rat's nests out of this thing. That way I can at least see the bolts that I'm trying to find for the quarter panels. I also figured I should introduce you to the star of the evening and my girlfriend for the night, El Chapo Vaco. That's Spanish for shop vac. Alright, so let's get after it. Alright. So here is the current situation underneath the front cowl. And the inside of the truck does not look any better. So far, we have gotten the driver's side quarter panel and inner fender well out. So we remove these if we're going to pull a whole engine and trans combo, just because it makes things a little bit easier. We're also going to clean up the engine bay on this one, and we have a bunch of wiring to fix because it's been sitting so long. A lot of the headlights, the alternator, and some of the other stuff don't work anymore. So now that we got the driver's side off, we're going to move over to the passenger side and get all that removed, and then we'll drain coolant and oil and then get the core support out as we move along on this project. All right, finally got both quarter panels off, inner fender wells. It was a little bit of a fight. Of course, it's all captured nuts, and of course some of them are rusted and rotted, and you know, they start spinning, so I had to get to the back side of a couple of them. Had to pull the radiator out, which I was not expecting to do tonight, but it's done. Managed to get all of it off without breaking a bolt, and even all the captured nuts I was able to save, so we can fix those and actually reattach them the way they're supposed to be from factory. So I'd definitely say it's a win for tonight. So yeah, we're gonna stop here so I can clean up, and we will continue this on another day. God, my beard's a mess.